Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on Kargil Vijay Diwas. Kargil Vijay Diwas is celebrated every year on July 26th in India. It marks the victory of India over Pakistan in the Kargil War of 1999. This day honors the bravery and sacrifice of the Indian soldiers. The war took place in the Kargil district of Jammu and Kashmir. Indian armed forces successfully recaptured the high altitude positions. The operation was called Operation Vijay, which means victory. Many soldiers lost their lives in the fierce battles. Ceremonies and events are held across the country to remember the heroes. Memorials like the Kargil War Memorial in Dras pay tribute to the martyrs. Kargil Vijay Diwas reminds us of the courage and dedication of our soldiers. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.